Hi everyone, it's Mary from Mary's Craft Studio. I have been receiving all the rest of my birthday goodies that I ordered, but I wanted to share something with you that I just got today in the mail, and that's the Tonic Craft Kit. I just joined their club, and this is the first box that I've received, and I was pretty excited when it arrived today. I've belonged to a couple of different clubs over the years. I did 2 years with Crafters Companions monthly subscription, and now I just pick and choose which ones I want. And then I have just a stamp and die subscription that I get monthly. And I thought about this one at Tonic, and I thought about Spellbinders, and I went ahead and thought I would try the Tonic because it comes with all kinds of extra goodies, not just a die and a stamp, or a die, stamp or paper or whatever. And it's all self-contained. Spellbinders, I got confused with. They have the large die and the APG die and the small die. And if you want everything, which normally I usually am that type of person, it was going to be like $100 or something. So I thought, well, let's give this one a try. So this is, like I said, the first box I've gotten. It's their Tonic Craft Kit 41, which is a sorbet. And so it, like I said, it has all kinds of cool things in it. Every box has a different theme, obviously. Comes with different items in it. This one is called Sweet Sorbet, and it makes these cute little popsicles and lollies, as they call them. It's their kit number 41, and the dies are in great size. This is the smaller one, and then this is the large one. And then these cute stamps. I love this, sending sugar-coated hugs. And then it's got a little face that you can put on the popsicle, which looks like a frog face to me. But this one says, have a sweet day, stay jolly, have a lolly. That's got to be an English saying. You got this licked. So it comes with lots of different dies. You can make regular popsicles, but it also comes with shaker card for both sizes. And you get 5 each. This is the smaller one, and it's already got the foam adhesive, so these are going to be really easy to use. So that's the little one with a little ice cream dripping. And then this large one, which is so cute. So that'll be fun. And then, like I said, they come with goodies, because I love goodies. This is Butter Haze Pure Sheen Sequins. They're so pretty for the shaker. And then look at how pretty this is. I don't normally go for corals or oranges, but this is really pretty. Dusted Fondant Pure Sheen Glitter. This is Glacier Paste, which is different, and I've never tried this before, so this is going to be cool to try. And this is in a lavender color. I think they call it, oh, Pixie Wings. Pixie Wings. And then a little thing of embossing powder in Happy Days. It's a super happy, bright yellow color. And now I'll get a chance to try their hybrid ink pad. This is Blue Mineral. And then they've got Vintage Drops. And this is in Lavender Fog. And Vintage Drops are like the regular drops, but they're matte. So I've never tried that before. That'll be interesting. It's a cute little kind of antique bottle looking, like a perfume bottle. And then my very favorite, I was pretty excited about this. I love Shimmer Powder, and they don't have this color. This is a newer color, Lilac Waterfall. So I'll definitely be using that when I try this kit. And then it comes with a Sweet Sorbet paper pad. I like polka dots, little stripes, little flags, little clouds, little bubbles, little sprinkles. That'll be a cute one to use. And a little gingham check. And then they always come, from what I read, with specialty paper. And some of this is just gorgeous. This is a regular cardstock. Classic card is what they call it. And this is in Sugared Lilac. And then this is Mirror Card in a soft amethyst, and that's just gorgeous. Just a gorgeous color. This one is Specialty Card in Miami Mint is the color. And I don't know if you can see the texture, but it's just so pretty. Embossing on it. Now I love that color. And then they've got their pearlescent card. This is Blue Cashmere. And another one in Princess Pink. Screams sorbet colors to me. And look at how cool this one is. This is Pink Marshmallow. And it's not only got texture that you could see, but feel also. And it's just cool. And then a sheet of their Sugar Crystal Glitter Card. So they are going to be fun to work with. So that's it for the kit. I think you get a lot for the money. I signed up for the monthly subscription, and it's, I think it was $33 a month, plus shipping and handling and taxes, of course. But I think you get a lot for the money. So I'll figure out what I want to do, and then I'll do a little video showing the little cute little shaker cards. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Happy crafting. Stay well, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.